Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are gonna be playing on my car. It's about 15 inches. I know that's tiny, but here it is. And we're gonna put the camera on here. Are you ready? Let's go then. Let's start driving. Wow, we almost, that was lucky. The camera didn't die there because it didn't film. But we are driving this car wild. It can go, fastest is 15 miles per hour. 15. Ow, that actually hurts the camera. It's 15%. So we are going. We are going to go outside. Please say the camera won't break here because it's raining and the camera is stuck to the literal toy car. So let's drive. Vroom vroom baby. Go. Let's drive. Let's drive this car. Beep beep, get out of the way. I'm stuck, I guess now. Don't think so. No, yes, I'm stuck. I mean, no, I'm stuck. Why does this always happen? Driving a toy. How to control this because it's very heavy. I'll take it to the camera. Okay, let's go. It's actually very fun doing this, you know. What are you doing, bro? Just let the car be. This way now. Oh, we have to drive. Going outside again. Outside again. Alright, we're going inside. Yes. Going inside. Oh, we fell again. Don't worry. That was a drift. I just. That's fun. Okay. Go. Oh, damn it. Right. Let's do this. It's actually very fun doing this because like and subscribe.